When Van Choga finally broke into the limelight in 2020, he was a phenomenon to behold. His energy levels were spectacularly unmatched, something which led many people to conclude that he was either insane or high on drugs, but that is not the case, and in today's video we tell you the truth about Van Choga Mukomana Wekamjiti. His real name is Simbarashe Valentine Choga, and he is the middle child in a family of 3, 2 boys and 1 girl. Don't let the unruly crown of hair and the crazy looks fool you. Van Choga is still quite young, as he is only 29 years as of 2022, having been born on 11 May 1993. Van Choga was born in Arcadia, Harare, but he grew up in Rua and he is currently staying in Bari. For his education, he went to Chiremba Primary School in Rua, where he later on discovered his talent when he was in grade 6, having drawn inspiration from Elephant Man. In an interview, he revealed how he used to sing a lot during assembly at primary school, and with the way Van Choga is, I'm sure pa assembly papo ayimba kushika maticha apopota. So how his musical career began. His musical career began when he discovered his musical talent in grade 6 whilst singing at a variety show. In an interview, he recalled singing a song by Elephant Man, which drove the crowd crazy. From there, he started singing a lot more and even leading at assembly. From there, it was like a fire had been ignited in him. He sang a lot, even at church, freestyling in the company of friends, but it was to take him 5 years for him to record his first ever song, which he later on recorded in 2010 after writing his O-levels. I know to many people it feels like Van Choga was an overnight success because he just came into the scene in 2020 and he was blazing hot and he immediately became famous, but that is not the case. Van Choga has been an aspiring artist ever since 2005, so he's been in the music industry for 15 years before he became famous. Some of his first well-to-do songs are Ndichikokohere and Jobo Jobo, which he recorded at Yala Nation, and Yala Nation being the record label that is owned by Say Colors. He was with Yala Nation for quite a while until 2020 when he announced his departure, stating that he wanted to seek a new direction with different people. Up to date, Van Choga only has one album titled Ra Van Choga, and some of his popular songs include Pindikiti, Amainoma, Ndabaya, Do You Remember, Ghetto Rules, just to mention a few. On to his personal life, Van Choga is a happily married man and the father of a beautiful baby boy. As for his net worth, it is still hard to calculate because we don't know anything about his wealth, so it is estimated to be plus or minus $20,000. To finish off, here's some interesting facts about Van Choga. Number 1, concerning his energy. Many people suspect that he's either high on drugs or crazy, but that is not the case, as during an interview, he went on to review how he just learned to perform energetically ever since he was young, and he went on to review how he is a church-going person who doesn't believe in the usage of drugs. Number 2, about the hair. He says the unkempt hair is a characteristic he copied from his father and he can go for years and years without cutting his hair. He once reviewed how he doesn't celebrate his birthday but rather celebrates the day that he started keeping his hair. That is some mad love for hair, guys, don't you think so? As for the dressing and how he appears in most of his videos, he says that is his preference. He prefers to be unique, as some artists go on to borrow clothes just to look nice for the people. He prefers to deal with whatever he has. With that, we come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye.